Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products, here to show you a really quick way to pull a wiper arm. Now this trick I'm about to show you doesn't work with every single wiper arm in existence. However, it is a pretty nifty trick if you've got one that it's compatible with. So in order to do this, you're gonna need kind of a cheap tool. We sell these things, a 49023 wiper arm puller. This is like my favorite type of tool. Infinitely useful, works really well, and these things are dirt cheap. It pays to grab one of these, throw it in your box. So the way this tool actually kind of works is on some specific wiper arms. If you see a notch at the back of the wiper arm, this tool will probably work on there. There's a corresponding little lip here that engages that notch and helps you pop this thing off. Now another important part of the tool is note this thing is offset a little bit. So what we want to do is make sure that offset is enough that we can kind of use this for leverage and pop the arm off of its post. We're going to use the post itself actually as our kind of pulling point for leverage. Now on this particular one, looking at this, I'm not going to have enough oomph. I don't have enough offset here for this to actually work. So what I'm going to do is use the nut that retains this. I'm going to back that off just a little bit to kind of change my angle of attack on this thing. So let's get this loosened up here. Yank that. Now I've got that out a little bit and I can actually change my pivot point of this. So what I'm going to do is grab my tool, take the tip of it, put it into that notch, line it up on here, and then just yank. There it goes, it freed right up. Now I'm gonna back the nut off the rest of the way. Boom, it comes off that easy. This tool's a neat little booger if you know how to use it correctly. It's one of those things I recommend you grab and kind of throw in your box. Again, it's just another arrow in your quiver for breaking these things loose. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm Lem, I'm out of here.